Okay, so welcome to the next income stream. So listen, this one's very unique because this one doesn't deal with BNB. It deals with another coin called Polygon Matic. Okay, so we'll talk about that coin in just a sec, but what this platform allows you to do, StableOne, is earn a daily 7% on your investment. Okay, and the first 30 days they have a special deal going where it's going to recompound 21% of your initial investment that you're earning on daily right back in. So it would look something like this. When you scroll down, see this investment calculator. If you, let's say, see this is dollar value, has a little dollar sign there. So you would say invest $1,000, right? Let's invest $1,000 and calculate. Well, this means that in the first 30 days, as it's reinvesting this 21%, you're going to earn an extra $441 off of that, plus off of your initial 7% per day that you're earning, you'll earn about $1,600. So what you're earning is about $2,000 right there in just your first 30 days based on this number here. Okay, so if you invest 1,000, that's what you would come out to be. If you invest 10,000, calculate, you get the point, right? $20,000. So that's kind of to give you a general idea of how this can, accumulate, and also keep in mind you can recompound, right, yourself. So for instance, if I wanted to recompound, I would just drop it here and invest, right? And every day I can come in here, click withdraw, and withdraw my available 7% that I've earned that day based on my investment. Make sense? And this is beautiful. It just keeps going. You'll see there's also a compensation plan that goes 5 levels deep. So somebody you enroll, you earn 5% from, right? Second level, 3%, third, fourth, and fifth. As you can see, the percentages there. They'll show you the total invested Matic, okay, which is already 700,000, which equals to, at the time of me recording this, already over $1 million invested in this platform. This is new, by the way, at the time of shooting this video. Total investment, how much people reinvest, total withdrawals, current balance in the pool, right? Over $1 million. As you can see, people are liking this. There's the contract address. There's a Telegram group. I recommend staying up to date on there. And all the fun details are up here. There's your navigation, right? And what I love about this platform, it's very transparent. It has an audit. It's been audited, okay? Here's the white paper. You can connect your wallet and go to work. So with that said, because this is another income stream, there's a different way actually to get this going. Okay, so follow my instructions. This way you do everything correctly. Okay, this works. You're collecting kind of like you're collecting with the Binance coin, right? With the BNB, but this is a different coin, different network. Okay, just kind of the same structure. All right, so let's go ahead to coinmarketcap.com. Okay, we're going to bring up Polygon Matic. So you can put in Matic, and it's this one right here. See this little chain logo? Okay, Polygon Matic. That's the correct coin. Okay, I'm gonna click there. Currently, it's number 16 on the rank out of 17,000 cryptos on the market, right? And the value of each coin is $1.40 at the time of me recording this. It may be more or less based on when you're watching this, okay? And so when I scroll down here and look at this little calculator, let's say I want to invest like $1,000, right? $1,000. Well, that means you need to buy 678 Matic. Make sense? But I'd buy a little more, like 10% extra. So maybe get like, I don't know, 750, because there's fees and whatnot, right? So that's how that would kind of look like when you're buying Matic. Okay, now let's show you how to actually buy Matic, stake it, and all that fun stuff, and start earning with this platform as well. First things first, this is going to be a lot easier because by now you already know how to stake. You have a MetaMask wallet, and you have funding. You're earning money, probably BNB from the other income streams, right? And so now it's going to be easy for us to pick up some Matic with your profits from your other income streams and get this one going as well. So check it out. First things first, you want to make sure you open up your MetaMask, let's say, right? You're on your smart contract, let's say, and make sure you have a balance there, okay? Listen, you can swap Matic for any coin. You can swap your Bitcoin for Matic. I mean, this coin that's used to stake on StableOne. You can swap Ethereum. You can also pick up some more Tether the exact same way like you picked up some BNB. You can get Matic that way. But I'm just going to show you, assuming, let's say you're earning from our other income streams and you have available BNB. So I'm just going to swap some of my BNB for Matic. Make sense? So first things first, you need to go over here to chainlist.org. Okay? And up here you want to put in Matic. And you want to add this network. It doesn't run on the Binance Smart Chain network or mainnet, whatever they call it, right? It has to run on this Polygon Matic network. It's a different network. Okay? So we need to import that. So when you put in Matic, it's this one right here, Polygon mainnet, and the currency is Matic. And the chain ID is 137. It's not this one, it's this one here, okay? You want to click Connect Wallet, click Add to MetaMask, switch network, connect, all that fun stuff, and it'll import that Polygon Matic network right there. If it doesn't do it, just process it again from chainlist.org here, and it'll show up. Once you see Polygon Matic, there it is in your networks, right? You want to go there. But by default, it'll probably take you to that network when you switch networks, okay? So there you go. There's Polygon Matic. As you can see, I have an available balance here, but you'll have zero. You'll have zero Matic in your Matic Polygon network, okay? This means that you'll need to, get a balance in here. So what we're going to do is go to SimpleSwap, right? Our trusty source for swapping any coin for another coin, right? SimpleSwap.io. Okay, and in the coin selection, I want to swap my BNB, right? I have some available BNB. It's BEP20, Binance Smart Chain, right? I want to swap my Binance Smart Chain BEP20 BNB for Polygon Matic. So here I will put in Matic. That's the correct logo. See, Matic Polygon. Okay, and how much? Well, let's see. I don't know. How much do I have? Let me go back to my Binance Smart Chain. There it is. Okay, so 0.36. I want to leave some for fees, so let's go 0.35. Okay, let's put in here 0.35 BNB, and that'll get me 87 Matic. Okay, so when I go to CoinMarketCap, scroll down, 87 Matic is about $127, right? Okay, so cool. So you choose how much you want to invest, and I'm going to click Exchange, all right? And here you're going to put in your recipient's Polygon address. So open your MetaMask, go to your Polygon mainnet here. And by the way, if the name is a little different, don't worry about it because you can change it. And so if yours is saying a little different, don't worry about it. It's just because, I changed the name. All right, so again, we're going to our Polygon mainnet, right? And we're going to grab this address, copied. Okay, and right here, enter your wallet address, paste. Okay, the recipient's Polygon address. All right, so I'm swapping my BEP20 BNB for my Matic. Create an exchange. I'm going to click there, of course. Okay, so now it's awaiting my deposit. So I need to send it 0.35 BNB, my BEP20 BNB, to this address, right? So you remember the process. I will copy this address now. Now I'm going to my MetaMask and going back to my Smart Chain network, right? Or mainnet, okay? Where my BNB lives. And now I'm going to send some of my BNB. So send, click there. I'm going to paste this address here. Starts with 0x, ends with 7b. Yep, that's the correct one. And how much did I agree to send? 0.35, right? 0.35. Next. Continue. And of course, I'm leaving a little more in there for fees, right? Never send all of it. Let that, send through. And once this goes through, you should know the process by now. It'll confirm pend, all that fun stuff. And because you're sending like private wallet to private wallet, you're not sending from or to an exchange, it actually goes through a little quicker. Okay, so it won't take hours. Usually it'll just take a few minutes, but it can take some time. So the balance already left here. Awesome. Now I can open and go back to my Polygon Matic network. Okay, and I already had these 24 in here, but once this processes through, the additional Matic will show up here. Make sense? So let's assume that, I'm going to keep this page open. Let's assume that the Matic already arrived, since I already have some here, without, spending time waiting. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create your account and stake now your available Matic. So now click the button below. Once you have, Polygon Matic in your MetaMask, make sure you are on the Polygon network, okay? Okay, when you open your MetaMask, my extra balance already arrived. There you go. So, I have a little over 100 Matic, 107 actually. Over here, when you click the button below, this will pop up. You will click MetaMask, connect it. It'll ask you to connect, process, right? Kind of authorize it. And once it connects, it'll show up your available balance there. If it doesn't, refresh and try it again, okay? And then you can invest any of that balance. You always want to leave some for fees. So I'm going to leave 7, Matic and just invest 100. Okay, so when I invest 100, by the way, when I scroll down here, I do want to make you mindful that I already invested 3,500 in this account, so it's not zero. So when I invest 100, it'll just be 100 more. Make sense? When I scroll up here, let's click invest. It's going to open my wallet. Oops, reject. Not sure why that's not going through. Let's try again. Invest. I refresh the screen again. Let's do this again. Invest. Okay, there you go. Hey, if it gives you a fail message, just refresh, click the button again below, and try to connect again. All right, so confirm. So now when I open my MetaMask, as you can see, it's pending, taking 100 Matic out of this balance, right? And of course, I'm leaving a couple of Matic there. Okay, successful message there. See that? So I'm just going to click OK, and this balance should leave my wallet here. There you go. It just dropped. See that? All right, cool. So when I scroll down, it's still showing 3,500. I just need to refresh my screen, okay? So now I'm going to refresh the screen, connect my wallet again. See, now it says I only have 7 available. Perfect. So it's updated. Okay, see 3,600. So after I refreshed the screen, it updated my balance. This is how much it reinvested for me, how much withdrawals I had. See that? And there you go. That's how you stake on StableOne. See, I have some available Matic ready to withdraw. So when I click withdraw, confirm, and that's simple, right? When I open my wallet, it's pending. It's going to pull this Matic out, add it to my available balance. And just the same, I can repeat the process, go to Simple Swap, swap my Matic out for BNB, USDT, right, Bitcoin, whatever I want to swap it for, okay? And that's how I withdraw. Make sense? See? Just withdrew some profits already. So that's how this works. Because in the first 30 days it recompounds 21% of your earnings. So it's, try to invest as, as much as you can, risk, I should say, right? That makes sense to you because it'll make a big impact. And then I can, of course, leave some available always, and maybe I'll reinvest 10, right? So you can recompound daily if you'd like to grow your balance, and just, go through all the details, learn the platform. There's not much to learn really. Just pretty simple, 7% straight up. Reinvest 21% of your earnings daily for the first 30 days. And then it's a flat 7% return your investment, okay? But what I like about Polygon Matic, when we look at the all-time charts here, just last year, right, it was like 3-4 cents, and it grew massively. And its all-time high right here was about $2.80 or something like that, up here, almost $3. And this coin, I believe, has a lot of growing to do. It might actually grow percentage-wise, the coin itself, it might even grow a lot more than BNB. Okay, so the coin has, I believe, a lot of growing to do. And if you're going to hold this coin anyways, why not put it to work for you? Make sense? So it's a good coin to have. It's in the top 100. It's number 16 on the ranks. Big community behind it. It's a massive network on its own. Like BNB, it's a good, safe coin, right? And it's not as big as BNB, but it's pretty big. It's a good one to have in your portfolio anyways. And why not duplicate it as you're holding it and letting the price of the coin go up as well. So enjoy this income stream as well. I think it benefits quite nicely our BNB platforms that we're investing in. And this is another coin to diversify into as well. And you can leverage this income stream for yourself as well. And this is, my friend, how you can earn and duplicate your Polygon Matic. And with that said, click the button below. You can join this platform, follow the details in this video. And of course, on this page below, you'll see additional information on how to leverage the DeFi cash machine.